Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to English Pronunciation Practice. Today, we practice the sound H.
Great. I am ready to hear it, say it, and have fun.
Perfect. Nexo. Keep the air light and clear. H, H, H.
Ha, like a happy little breath. Let's start.
Before we begin, I will show you the lesson structure. First part, words. We listen to clear words with the H sound and repeat them. Second part, phrases. We listen to short phrases with the H sound in real context. Go step by step, listen carefully, and repeat with confidence.
I like it. Words first, phrases next, and my mouth is warming up.
Excellent. Let's begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Hat. Hat. House. House. Horse. Horse. Hand. Hand. Hair. Hair. Head. Head. Heart. Heart. Hill. Hill. Home. Home. Hotel. Hotel. Hospital. Hospital. Helicopter. Helicopter. Hamburger. Hamburger. Honey. Honey. Hammer. Hammer. Hen. Hen. Hook. Hook. Hose. Hose. Phrases.
Great job completing words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible. In phrases, our goal is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the sounds.
I am ready. I will listen closely and copy the sound.
Perfect. Nexo. Now listen to each phrase and repeat naturally.
Hat. Hat. I see a hat. I see a hat. House. House. The house is big. The house is big. Horse. Horse. The horse runs fast. The horse runs fast. Hand. Hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
hair, hair.
My hair is long. My hair is long. Head, head. Touch your head. Touch your head. Heart, heart. Draw a heart. Draw a heart. Hill, hill. We climb the hill. We climb the hill. Home, home. I go home. I go home. Hotel, hotel. The hotel is here. The hotel is here. Hospital, hospital. The hospital is near. The hospital is near. Helicopter, helicopter. The helicopter is loud. The helicopter is loud. Hamburger, hamburger. I want a hamburger. I want a hamburger. Honey, honey. The honey is sweet. The honey is sweet. Hammer, hammer. The hammer is heavy. The hammer is heavy. Hen, hen. The hen is small. The hen is small. Hook, hook. Put it on the hook. Put it on the hook. Hose, hose. The hose is green. The hose is green.
Great job. You and Nexo finished the full pronunciation lesson.
Yes. My H sound feels clearer now.
Keep listening and practicing. See you in the next class.